hot tub can become an outdoor oasis for relaxation on your property. Whether you live in a warm or cold climate, if you own a hot tub, some sort of hot tub cover is necessary. The cover will help keep out debris, maintain the water temperature, and, most importantly, keep out people who should not be able to access your hot tub. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 hot tub covers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Hamal Square Hot Tub Cover. Soft hot tub covers are best for protecting your hot tub and your hard top from the elements. Available in 2 colors and 2 common sizes, this polyester cover protects from falling debris, harsh sun, snow, and more. Unlike other soft covers, this one has a lockable elastic rope that goes around the body of the hot tub to keep it extra secure, which is especially helpful if you live in an area with high winds. Made of lightweight and waterproof polyester material, this square hot tub cover is easy to take on and off. There are 2 air vents on either side to let out any moisture from within. In colder weather conditions, this cover won't provide insulation on its own but will add another level of protection for your hot tub at an affordable price point. Product details: weight, 6 pounds, shape, square, material, polyester, weather conditions/insulation, waterproof, no insulation. Number 2. UCare Hot Tub Cover Waterproof. If you have an inflatable hot tub, the UCare Hot Tub Cover is the best hot tub cover for you. At a little over 3 pounds, it's light enough so it doesn't weigh the tub down, yet it is just the right amount of heft needed for it to stay in place. We evaluated this cover several times during our testing process, and we found that it fit nicely over the hot tub. We liked that its drawstring design enabled us to tighten the cover for extra security. There was some excess fabric that we had to fold over, but we found that it was easy for just one person to put on and take off. It did not do much to keep the hot tub's water temperature consistent, but it did do a great job of keeping all bugs and other garden debris out of the tub. Number 3. The Cover Guy Premium Hot Tub Covers. Our top choice for the best hot tub cover, this high-quality spa cover is all you need to protect and insulate your hot tub for years to come and maintain. It's not a one-click order on this cover. You'll need to select everything, including shape, fold, skirt length, and cover color, and input your hot tub style and model number when you order. There's even a measuring video to help you correctly measure the dimensions. The covers can measure up to 96 by 96 inches, because once your order is placed, you can't make changes. The effort to order is well worth it. You'll end up with a custom hot tub cover that'll fit like a glove with a 7-year warranty. These covers are made with high-density foam and marine-grade vinyl, and they're crafted for year-round insulation, even under harsh weather conditions, to protect your outdoor oasis. Number 4. LXKCKJ6 Featuring Round Pool Cover. The LXKCKJ Round Pool Cover Protector with Drawstring is the best hot tub cover for those looking for an adjustable option. This cover comes in 16 different size options, starting at 6 feet, so you can choose one that matches the size of your hot tub. Made of a lightweight Oxford cloth with double stitching and a taped seam, this cover is waterproof, windproof, and tear resistant. The cover has a drawstring design so you can adjust it for an even more secure fit. It also comes in 3 colors: black, silver, and green. The cover has multiple pull tabs all around so you can pull it on your tub with ease, although you'll need 2 people to do this if you have a larger hot tub. Once it's on, you simply pull the drawstring's plastic toggle until it feels nice and snug, and then tie a sturdy knot to keep it securely in place. Number 5. My Spa Cover Custom Hot Tub. For those in colder climates, an insulated hot tub cover makes financial sense. If you live in a cold climate, you will spend a small fortune on electricity trying to keep the hot tub up to your hotter desired temps, Robinson says. Keeping the warmth in the hot tub with an insulated hot tub cover is a wise move both for your wallet and the environment. We like the My Spa Cover pick because the ordering process allows buyers to completely customize their cover, from custom choices for shape, size, color, and skirt/strap length. Although, keep in mind it weighs 60 pounds, so it may be more difficult to take on and off. Crafted from marine-grade vinyl and an energy-efficient EPS foam, the brand promises this cover will help keep the heat in and save on heating costs. As a bonus, this cover comes with a 5-year warranty, so while it's expensive, the energy savings and warranty help counter the expense. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.